Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome. Thank you all so much. I appreciate you. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I made this chinchin with or without oil. As you can see, this first one I'm touching here, it was fried with oil, whereas this one wasn't fried with oil. If you want to see how I achieve it this way, please definitely keep on watching and I will see you all in my next video. Bye. These are all the ingredients I used in making this chinchin. So in a bowl I have about 1 kg of plain flour, and 1 kg. So I have 2 eggs, I have water if needed. I used nutmeg, and I have about 4 tablespoons of sugar, and I have sunflower oil. I have vanilla extract. I have half tablespoon of salt, and the next thing I used was evaporated milk, and I used flour, and I added about 1/5 of 2 kg, and I added 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, and I'm adding salt. And the next thing I will do is just to stir them together, make sure that everything gets together very well. So after I've done that, I'm just going to add my butter. I already cut them in chunks. Here with washed hands, I'm going to start mixing gently. So I'm just going to start doing the same thing. After doing this for a while, make sure that they get together very well. In a little bowl, I'm just going to crack my 2 eggs, and I'm just going to beat it a little bit. And here I'm going to add vanilla extract, just nearly 1 tablespoon of it. And here I'm just going to add about this half tin of evaporated milk, just half of it, into the egg, and make sure I beat it very well. So here you make a hole in your flour and just add all your liquid in the middle, and then you start to stir with your hands. Make sure you take your time to do this. You don't have to be in a hurry. So after a while it will just be, you get this consistency. It will just be like this. So after 10 minutes I'm just going to bring back my flour, and I'm just going to start mashing them with my hands, and I will continue to do it until I make sure that they are perfectly fine, just the way I want it, before I start rolling it with rolling pin. So now as you can see, I've started using the rolling pin, and I will continue to do this until I get it just exactly the way I want. And by doing this it will allow me to cut the chinchin just exactly the way I want it. So here I'm just trimming off this bit So these ones I'm cutting out, I'm not going to throw them away, no, I'm just going to roll them in the second batch. So here I just started to cut. I'm just going to be cutting them gradually, and yeah, it's super easy.
You turn toward me and look so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie.
After that, I'm just going to add oil in the frying pan. I'm going to use in frying this chinchin, and just add the amount I need, and I'm just going to leave it in a medium heat, and I'll allow it to get hot, just enough for me to start frying, but not too hot.
Wind is cold, you must return to the wild. Follow me down, there's no one around. Lay back and take your socks and shoes right off. That natural light is so damn polite, can make you feel just like you were young again. Standing underneath the rows of trees, I can see where the ocean meets the sky. Under our clothes, a fire grows. We are ready for this life of running wild. We're running wild. Underneath the rows of trees, I will see where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. Shining forward, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. Shining forward, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild.
So the last batch, I decided to bake it in the oven, and believe me, it came out really nice, very tasty and crunchy. And yeah, if you ask me, I will choose the baked one, and which is more healthy. Let me know which one you like better, and let's continue the conversation in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until I see you all next time, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye.